Now we are going to discuss about why single page application. Before that, we should know about what is web page and what is multi-page application. We'll start with the web page. If you search anything on Google, we'll find a number of hyperlinks related to the website or web application. If you opened any link in the browser, you'll find a page. This page consisting of HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. This page is known as a web page. Here, the HTML and related styles here is called as a web page. Coming to multi-page application. Multi-page application is a traditional way of developing a web application of website. Let's take an example. If you're searching for a website which is a multi-page application, if, if you perform any click action, it will render a web page. The web page consisting of HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. And if you perform any post or any get or any request, the responder format in the form of a web page. For every request, there will be a web page as a response. This is a multi-page application. Coming to SPA, single page application. When you perform any action, particular website or web application, the initial time when the application is loaded, it will load the all the HTML, JavaScript, CSS related to that site or web application as a bundle into the client side in a browser. Next onwards, it will call the Ajax call and it will get the JSON file. Means using the JSON file only the page will be rewritten of the current page, like an index page, index.html page every time will change in a single page application. Let's take an example. Google Gmail is the one of the example of the single page application. Is a more interactive and user friendly, and its user interface is more attractive and more reactive way. Is a one of the example for single page application. Let's take another example. Global Kit is a one of the single page application. Its UI is pretty good. It's developed on the single page application. If you click any action, it's a more responsive. It's a single page application. If you debug it, it's consisting of a console like here webpack is there. If the website having the webpack means is the only most the time it is a single page application. Coming to main point, why single page application means we have a multi-page application. To overcome some disadvantage in the multi-page application, we go for the single page application. By using the single page application, we can get performance and the reusability. Means in the performance way means in the multi-page application, each time whole web page will be loaded, but in the SPA only relative JSON file will be loaded after the first request. This will increase the performance of the application and reusability. And this reusability coming into developer perspective. If you develop any web page, it can reuse it for another time if it is required. These are the more important purpose of using the single page application. That's all about single page application. Coming to there are the more framework uses this single page application like Angular, React, Vue, and lot. Using these frameworks are used to develop a single page application. That's all about single page application. Thank you.